Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, guys. बेटा उससे ही लॉगिन हो जाओ. Yes, guys, good number has joined. So should I start? Just can anyone tell me what we studied yesterday? Anyone of you?
Sir, relative absolute self-referencing.
What? Yeah, self-referencing we were studying from I think last 2-3 days, right? Right. So anything else, Pranav, you would like to contribute?
Sir, we saw how we implement it in Excel.
Very good. Yeah. Let
examples.
Niyati tell. Niyati, can you tell us that what we have done yesterday in the yesterday's class? I think you were there.
No, sir, I was not there. I had this sports event of mine, so I had not attended the class.
Okay, okay. So
Yes.
no problem. But yesterday's class was very important one. Hope you will be seeing it. Actually, we had a short time and there were a lot of technical glitches also. But besides that, we were able to fulfill our objective.
Yes, sir, I went through the recording. There was self-referencing, but yes, like you said, there was a lot of disturbance in the call.
So anyways, and I have heard that there are some of the cases have appeared in your hostel. I've heard it. I'm just overhearing it. I'm not confirm about it, but whatever. But let us see. So I don't know to what extent we will be able to continue it offline. Rather, only 2 students are here. What should one is Satyankar and Devyansh. So 2 of them are over here. Anyways, yeah. Anyone else? Would you like to? Urja, were you there yesterday? Urja?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Urja, what we did in yesterday's class?
So we implemented the absolute and relative cell references.
Okay,
So,
how
so
we did that? What
yes,
example
so
we took?
basically we wrote a formula and
Mhm.
we wrote the dollar sign in it. The column will be logged, and if we
Mhm.
copy it after that, the same value will be copied. Otherwise, the formula will be implemented and the next value will be copied.
Very good. So you have done the 2 types of referencing. One was row referencing, another was column referencing, and finally we went off with the cell referencing also, right? So we did it in this way. Is it okay? Yeah. So anything else you have learned? What I told you that this is the power of Excel. So now in this example, if you see, you can just see that there are 4 types of things written over here. So can I just ask any one of you that what does these 4 types of things tells us? So okay, Pranav Rastogi, were you there in yesterday's class? Pranav.
Uh,
Yeah, Pranav,
sir, I wasn't there, but I can try to answer.
Okay, no problem. So Aryan, were you there? Okay, can anyone raise the hand who were there in Gurkirat Singh? You were there in yesterday's class. I remember. Right, Gurkirat? Gurkirat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Gurkirat, I would like to ask you, what does this referencing D9 means?
Sir, it refers to a cell D.
It refers to a.
Cell D9.
So if I do such type of referencing and I use it in a formula, what will it depict?
Cell, it will refer to the value in D9 what you have written.
Sorry?
When you use it in a formula, it will refer to the value you have written in D9.
Okay, if I shift the cells from the columns, will it give me a relative referencing or absolute referencing?
Sir, I don't remember.
Yeah, okay. Devyanshi? Devyanshi? Devyanshi is left. Okay, anyways. Nandini?
Yes,
Guys, I don't
sir.
have a cable, so you have to log in through your online mode. Okay. Yes, Nandini. So, what type of referencing is this $D $9 means? $D $9. What it does? Okay, is it an absolute referencing or a relative referencing?
So absolute referencing.
Okay. Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Okay. जिसमें डाउट था हाँ एक मिनट या हाँ क्या डाउट है बेटा
तो जैसे $D $9 लिख देते तो सेल लॉक हो गया पूरा
हाँ
ये चेंज नहीं होगा
नहीं होगा
$D9 लिखा खाली तो डी लॉक है 9 चेंज हो सकता है 9 इज
पर 9 कब चेंज होगा जब तुम नीचे जाओगे
नीचे जाओगे तो
हाँ।
रोज चेंज नीचे ड्रैग कर दिया रोज चेंज हो गई
हाँ
और वैल्यू चेंज हो गई तो ये कौन सा रेफरेंस है इसमें दोनों हो रहे हैं डी तो एब्सोल्यूट है
नहीं हाँ तो ये दिस इज कॉल्ड रो रेफरेंसिंग रो एंड देखो तीन तरह की रेफरेंसिंग है वन इज रो अनदर इज कॉलम एंड वन इज सेल इज $.
अच्छा वो एब्सोल्यूट
हाँ ये दिस इज व्हाट इज एब्सोल्यूट because you want to pick up only absolute type of things. No, this is also absolute, but absolute row or absolute column. Got it? Yeah. Ha, beta. Yeah, here from online. Yeah, come on. Yeah, Nandini. Yeah, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yeah, beta.
See, so you took my name, but there's a lot of network issue in hostel, so it got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Nandini, I was asking that what type of referencing is this $D $9?
So what, like, I don't exactly remember the name, but I remember one thing that we can we can lock the row and the column when we
Both.
are using the dollar
So
sign.
you are, yeah, very good, Nandini. You are actually locking the cell over here, right? So this is called absolute. This will make the cell absolute referencing. Got it, guys? This is called cell absolute referencing. Whereas when we are putting only $D, so it will be column absolute referencing, $9, it will be row absolute referencing. Getting? So whatsoever is being logged, it is that absolute referencing. Getting? So if we are locking the cell, so it will be cell absolute referencing. If we are locking the rows, it will be rows absolute referencing. If we are locking the columns, it will be columns absolute referencing. Okay, because Nandini, you must also understand, because in exams you cannot write it like this. What you have understood, you have to actually tell the name of such type of referencing. Okay, Nandini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, though I appreciate that you have understood the thing which I have made you understand, but at the same time you must remember this also. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So the only difference between these cells reference relates to what happens when you copy a formula that contains the cell. So while this is actually helpful only when we are copying the formula, and that I told you is a power of Excel. That is called a power of Excel, because Excel is a thing which actually facilitates you in order to create your own solutions out of this. Or otherwise, you can say this is a genesis, or this is the basis of Excel programming. Okay, because we are using if then else statement and all this. And if you're copying it, and if it moves in the way you know how it moves, then you will be able to use this power in order to generate your own desired results. Getting, Nandini and everyone else? Okay. So relative cell referencing, we have already means talked about absolute cell referencing. Now this is mixed. You can say I've told you about column referencing also. This is also called mixed referencing, maybe column, maybe row, whatever. So we have actually gone with all these things, right? Yeah. So next is data types. Now what are data types? Now you can say you know it very well. Do you know about data types? Because you have already done your programmings. What are data types? Yes. What else? Yeah, logical data types are there. So numeric data types, you can say text data types is there. Dates are also one of the data types we use it. Logical data types, true, false, you can say greater than, more than, equal to, right? So these all are the data types, right? So numeric data types are plus, minus, asterisk, you can say these are operators. So when we talk about numeric data types and we talk about operators, then these will be plus, minus, multiplication, division, exponent, you can say percentage, whatsoever acts with the numbers is called the operators. Okay, so they will be having this type of operators. Okay, and next is your text. You can say the values or whatever you just type in a single quote will be the text. Okay, so and the operators is nothing but you can say and or the brackets what we use, right? And you can use the functions like right, left. So you whenever you have to move it, so something like that, so you can use this. Dates are there, now, today, hour, minute. So these type of things are the sample functions of it. So they do not carry any operators. Operators are not required over here. Okay, so values will be in the form of either dates or the times, right? Logical operators are there, greater than, less than, equal to, right? Greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and we use if, then, else, or, not, these type of things. and we always use parenthesis, means the brackets, in order to program it, right, while in the Excel itself, right? So these are called data types. So data types are for the values in the cells. That's by default a cell that contains a number is treated as a numeric data, because Excel mostly is comprised of numbers. So we need not to tell Excel that this in this format, if we type, then it will be called number as such. So whatever will be there, it will be as a number by default. So a cell when contains a date is treated as a date cell also. And we will see more about this in our further slides too. So a cell that contains a data which is not numeric and not a date is treated as text. Okay, so it is self-recognized, or you can say it is by default what Excel takes up, right? So text data is there. The following are the three terms that are used to refer as a text data. All three terms means the same thing, that is text data, string data, character, whatever. So it is, you can say these are synonyms. Okay, text, string, and all this. Okay, so this presentation will generally use the term text data. We will use text data as such. We will not use the string and the character because this is most commonly used. Okay, and it will be equal to your string and the character also. So further text data is used to store general purpose text. You can say name, places, or whatever description you want to, or whatever in the codes we used to have in our normal programming languages. We use codes in order to just enter the text. Suppose we have to explain something, that what does the following for program does. So in the program itself, we use even Python we just use double quotes in order to put the things, right? And that is recognized as a text, that what actually it is doing. Okay, and but we cannot do mathematics with the text. Obviously we cannot, right? So that is we will not be able to. So text isn't a part of a numerical function, right? So text will never be a part of the numeric function. For example, if you see over here, the formula to add up all the numbers in the column C is C colon C. So if you, I've already told you this before, right? So here we are using this as such because this is now where we have put this equal to, it will work as a formula, right? So in the same spreadsheet, if we do the text data in C1 is not included in the sum. For example, if this is there, right? So just do it. So suppose, for example, in just write ABC 1 2 in your column numbers in C, in column C, write ABC 1 and 2, and just write a formula is equal to sum C is to C. What it will do, it will just add up all the things in the column number C. Now what it will do is, it will not add up ABC as such, for sure. Obviously it will not. So what does it means? That it means even if some text is present, it will ignore it and it will add up all the numeric values. Okay, guys, do it. Online guys, do it. Doing? Nandini, Dhruv. Huh? Dhruv. Oh, doing? Yes, sir. कर लिया, हो गया? Fine. Good. Nandini there. There was one girl sitting along with you guys yesterday. Who was she? आपके साथ में कल हैं? Atishi. Okay. She has not come today.
डिस्करेज हो रहे हैं आज.
हाँ थोड़ा सा, हाँ मुझे भी कुछ पता चला था ऐसा ही. Anyways.
डिस्करेज हो रहे हैं.
No, even I was talking to your CR also. Can we continue for some time through online itself? Yes, it will be safe for both the parts. Otherwise, I love to be in front of you and just teach you being over here. Yesterday I enjoyed it. You might have seen it, and you guys also will. But the situation is like that. So let us.
Are also discouraging us from coming due to the COVID cases.
So it's better to be there itself. Otherwise, if we will not take care of ourselves, then who will take? Right? And you are so far away from your parents also, and right? Yes, Rashi. Hardik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Have you done this, Hardik?
Yes, sir, I did. Yes, sir.
Very good. Fine. So text functions, if we say, so many functions are used to manipulate the text values. You can say the following are some of them, like right, bracket, left, mid, over. Okay, lower, up, and length. So right, left, and mid functions, what it does. So right function is used to isolate a specific number of characters from the right hand side of the text value. Okay, so example, let us just see. So if you write this, just this is the formula type of this text comma number of characters if you want to go for, right? For example, this is some SSN numbers are given in last 4 digits. If you have to take only last 4 digits, what will happen? Just do it. So we can just if 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and if you write equal to write A2, 4, what it will give you? And in the same way, if you write left, then what? Okay, just write these, do these. Yes, guys, hurry up, do it. Online guys, raise your hand as you do it. Let me see. Excellent. Manveer, Saksham, Anmol, great. So I hope you are able to understand what does these functions do actually. Nandini also, excellent. Tanuj, wow, great. Rohil. On your hands again. So right, that is some say num characters is optional. For example, the number of characters, you can say the parameter in the right function is optional. If you don't specify it, the default is 1. Okay, even if you do not specify, just try doing it. For example, you have this A, B, C, D, E as a word. So it works not only with the numbers, it works with the word also, because it's a text type of thing. Yeah, any problem over here, guys? Sure. Fine. Okay, so just try doing this. So if you do not put anything, it will take, by default it will take 1. So if you will put equal to write A2, 2, it will give you DE. But if you do not put anything, and even if you put 1, it will give you same result, that is E. Okay. Left function is again similar to right, so I don't think there is any need to take it, right? So left is just like right. So whatever right has done, left will do the same thing. Mid is again, so it will take some characters from middle. So mid is used to get the values from the middle of some text. So mid takes 3 parameters: the original text, the position to the start taking the new value from, and the number of characters to take the new value. Means if in between you are taking, so you have to give some more parameters to it. So it is not like that, because I was also having, I think you might be also thinking in the same way in which I thought when I was reading it or studying it for the first time, that middle में से अगर even होगा तो कौन सा लेगा? ऐसा किसी के दिमाग में है अभी? Absolutely. अच्छा तुमने ट्राई भी कर लिया? Very good. So you have to take 3 parameters, starting and ending. So it will take all these things in between. Clear? So let us try it. Do it. Done? Very good. Excellent.
वो भी है कि इसमें स्टार्ट पैरामीटर एंड एंड पैरामीटर नहीं डालना है, इसमें वो है कि कितने
हाँ
लेटर्स लेगा
यस कितने लेटर्स
इंडेक्स का हिसाब में
यस बिल्कुल ठीक है ना. मतलब 2 से लेकर 4 तक अपने को उठाना है, तो 2 से लेकर बीच का कितना हुआ तो 3 आपने ले लिया. दैट इज व्हाट द थिंग. यस गाइस, डन दिस? Online people, raise your hands who have done it. Very good, Saksham, Manveer, Anmol, Nandini, Vishrat, very good. Ujjwal, Abhipray, good. Excellent. Put down your hands. I have seen it, but I'm seeing repeated names more. So others also please keep on trying. Even if you are not raising hand, it's okay. But if you will raise hand, that will give me a satisfaction. So for at least for my sake, do it. Right? Chaliye, next. Okay. So next is concatenation. Okay, and function. Now what it does, it is used to combine or concate two different text values. Suppose you have names written in one column and you can say surname somewhere else. So you can merge these to just get one value. Okay. So first name is there, last name is there, and then you want to have a full name in one of the columns. So this is one of the very important function you can go on for, right? So what you have to do is just mark equal to and combine it, putting and in between, right? And you will be getting the answer, or you will be getting the solution for it. Okay, so try this for one or two. Write your own name or your friend's name as a first name and the last name, and try doing it. Nandini has done it, I suppose. Very good. Done. Excellent. But one thing is there is no space between it. Right? Yes, guys. Online guys. Yeah, come on. Tanoj, Abhipray, Hardik, Anmol, Gurkirat, Niyati, Pratyush, Satyam, Saksham, Dhruv, Rohil, Pooja, Abhipray. Very good. Excellent. Divyanshi is also done. Vishrat, fine, good. You can put down your names. You put down your hands. Okay, now if you see there is no space in between. Now the same thing you can do with three arrays, right? First, middle, and last. Like my name, Manvinder Singh Pahwa. Okay, if it is written like that, then you can combine this. So those who are having John Quincy Deo, Paul Walker Smith, David Stevens Washington. Okay, so that can also be done. That can, and even you keep on adding this, and you can keep on adding your variables in it, and it will keep on coming like this. Okay.
कंसीडर मिडिल नेम वाला ब्लैंक को तो फिर उसको ऐड नहीं करेंगे, सीधा वो लास्ट वाला ऐड करके वो
ब्लैंक छोड़ सकते हैं. So here what we can do is we can concatenate the literal values. So you must include the literal values inside the course. So whatever are the literal values, हो गया बेटा? Drew? Done? Yes sir. So further अपन next पे चल रहे हैं, ठीक है? So you can even you must include the literal values that inside the course as such. For example, to display the spaces, right? In the full names, in the previous example, you can use the following formula. Each space that you want to display must be included in the quotes. जो तुम्हारा वाला चीज है शायद वो स्पेस खुद ही हो, वो तो एप्लीकेबल हो जाए. ट्राई करके देखो. मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है. डबल कोट से ही होता है. और नहीं हो रहा हो तो भी मुझे बताओ, और हो रहा है तो भी बताओ.
डबल कोट्स डाल के ऐड सी बीच में.
हाँ वो तो आ जाएगा. एंड्स जरूरी है. ओके. और स्पेस भी देना जरूरी है. डबल कोट दोनों चिपका दोगे तो भी नहीं चलेगा. Okay. Yes, guys, done it. This one, let us try this. Okay. So when we are doing it, so here you have to put the spaces. Now let us see how it comes up. You already have done it. Just try to put this and the double quotes in between. Try doing it. Come on, everyone. Siddhant has done it. Anyone else? Very good. Tanuj, Anmol, Abhipray, Manveer, Saksham, Gurkirat, Urja, Rohil, Vishrat, Dhruv, Parth, Nandini. Excellent. Good. Akhil, Satyam. Very good. Fine then. Okay. So again, if we can use left parenthesis with and in some of the formulas. Okay. So what you can do is you can keep on taking some combination. You can combine some results of different functions, right? So if you have you just want to take some left 3 digits, or sorry, left 3 characters, and then you want to put some space, and you want to use some right characters, and then you want to combine them, right? So such type of programming, can you do that? So please try the combinations of these whatsoever I have taught you. Okay. Yeah. So in this way, we can also take dots, or you can say periods. Dots are there. So we can also use dots. If you put dot in between the spaces, in between in the place of the space which you have used, it will come as such in the formula, which is just now shown over here. Okay, guys. Now you can also separate the first name and the last name. Okay. So here in this formula, if first name and the last name is to be separated, now how it will be done? Suppose this Shivraj Bhor is written over here. So what we have to do, from left in B1, we have to search for certain gap. So search function is being used. Now this is something which has not been taught, but this is there. So here with this function, I introduce this search function also. Like we find sometimes we keep on finding certain things in Word, also in some PDFs also. So this is a function, search function is used over here. So with this, you will be able to learn 2 things, that how to segregate and how to use this search function. So it will search for the space, because obvious that if somebody has put the name along with the surname, he might have put a space in between. So it will search for this space, and in B1 then comma 1, he has taken the combined word. Okay, because you are using what? You are using space, and then you are using. Just try doing it. Do it. Just write your name and try doing with this formula. Satyam, have you done it? Satyam, hand is always raised. Satyam, doing? Doing or done?
Doing, sir.
Okay, carry on, beta. No problem. Working? ध्रुव?
सर वो 1 किस लिए नहीं समझ आया?
वो जो आप जब इसको यूज करते हो ना, इस 1 को, B1 के 1 को जब आप यूज कर रहे हो, तो
बाद जो 1 है एक्स्ट्रा,
हाँ, B1 के बाद में जो 1 आप एक्स्ट्रा यूज कर रहे हो, दैट विल एक्चुअली सेग्रीगेट इट. सर्च किया उसने, इसको देखो फंक्शन कैसे चल रहा है. लेफ्ट से सर्च करना है, किसमें? B1 में. क्या सर्च करना है? स्पेस सर्च करना है. स्पेस सर्च करने किसमें सर्च करना है? B1 में, और उसके बाद में 1. इट मीन्स व्हाट? It will segregate, it will sieved off the complete letter after searching that space. Getting? So this is a hybrid type of, you can say, we are combining the search with the left over here. Yes, guys, who has done it? Online people. Come on, very good, excellent. Anmol, Nandini, Manveer, Gurkirat, Parth, Urja, Abhipray, Ujjwal, Ritvik, excellent, very good. Okay, so this is what we have learned today, and we have also learned this function, that how we have to combine the things. Okay, and there are more functions like proper, lower, upper, len, right? So we will keep on learning this in the next class, I suppose, right? So any problem if you want to ask? Yeah. Anmol, Manveer, Dhruv and Tanuj, everyone, please put down your hands. Yeah, if you want to ask me anything, I'm there. Because it will, more you will practice it, more you will get it. Okay, Tanuj, you have some question to ask? Your hand is raised.
No, sir.
Okay, fine then.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, beta.
Sir, could you please upload the PPTs on Teams?
I will do it. I
Yes,
will
sir.
do it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So sufficient for today. So we'll take the attendance, announcing your names. Yeah. So Tanuj, Abhipray, Akhil, Aman, Anmol, Apurv, Aryan, Ayush.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Niyati.
Present, sir. Present.
Divyanshi.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Dhruv, Divi, Gurkirat, Hardik, Ritvik, Karthik, Manveer, Nandini, Urja, Parth, Pranav Rastogi, Pratyush Agarwal.
Present, sir.
Rashi, Ritvik,
Present, sir.
Rohil Rakesh, Rushil Chatterjee.
Yes, sir.
Saksham Agarwal, Satyankar, Shruti Agarwal.
Present, sir.
Siddhant Singh, Siddhant Sood.
Yes, present, sir.
Tanishka, Ujjwal,
Present,
Vikas,
sir. Present, sir.
Nusrat,
Present, sir.
and Yasha Jain.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys, take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Take care, because there is some rumor that this COVID is spreading. So please take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.